Hey everybody, Dee Vyper here with Mad Max Cars. Welcome to episode 1 of a new series that we're doing called No Car Left Behind. In this series we're going to be rescuing abandoned and forgotten cars, putting them back together and getting them on the road to a new life. In episode 1 here we're going to be rescuing a Rambler American 440 from a junkyard and putting it back together and hopefully getting it on to a new life and a new owner. If you'd like to, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That should let you know anytime we're putting something out. If you like the video, hit the like button, and we always love hearing from you, so put a comment down in the comment section below and we'll look forward to reading those as well. In any case, enjoy episode 1 and we'll see you at the end. We're here at Budget Auto Wrecking on a rainy day to pick up a 1965 Rambler American. It's a 440 model, which is one of the higher trim levels, and we'll see how this whole car rescue turns out. Here we are amongst all of these wrecks. We're in a special area that has kind of the classic cars, and there she is, sitting somewhat forlorn and forgotten amongst some pretty hard luck stories here. There's some other cars we wish we could save. Mustang, Thunderbird, Le Mans, another Le Mans, Dart, Nova. Here it is. Gonna drag it out with this forklift. Yeah, it's dragging. That one's not turning. Looks like we got a locked up wheel. Here it is, getting ready to say goodbye to the wrecking yard and hello to its new fate of hopefully getting saved. So we picked up this little gem. What do you guys think?
Sleeper. Big block with it.
It's pretty clean.
Bad shit. No, I'm surprised.
That gear is actually way better than I thought.
Oh, look at that cute little feller. This seat's actually pretty cool. It's a power steering car too. Manual brakes. Woo! Manual Ford drum.
I got a thing out of blue one and I'm pretty sure it was full.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, when you said 440, that's what I was expecting under the hood.
No.
I can tell that ain't no 440 in there.
It reminds me of the like the 65 Barracudas.
Yeah, the old Barracudas or like the Valiants.
Yes.
Yeah.
232.6.
232? That's a big 6.
The wheels locked up and the gas tank's ruined, and now I know why, because they picked it up by the tail end so they could move it.
Yeah.
They just buffed the paint and
Just clean up the edges, they washed it all out.
Yeah, I think it'll spiff up pretty nice.
Wirings, rebuild the carburetor, and it
Looks
just
like it's been well cared for.
Just make sure it doesn't leak.
Hope it doesn't have a blown head gasket.
right.
Yep.
Well, then it's like, okay, what do we do to mod the car? If it's blown up, I'm not even going to try to rebuild it. Put a 350 power glide.
It's actually really not bad.
Doesn't look too bad.
This is freaking nice.
Fucking roof is even perfect on this thing. Water beads up. Good glass.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You actually have the service manual for it.
This is nice.
I actually like it.
A whole lot better than I was thinking.
Yeah.
And here it is, all cozy in its new home. There's a lot to do on this thing. It certainly was a diamond in the rough sitting in the junkyard, but here it sits still with its prisoner numbers emblazoned on the quarter panels. And it certainly is going to need some help. One of the back wheels is locked up. The motor isn't frozen, but it's not running right now, no battery, so we haven't even tested that yet. Lots of little details to fix, but the body is straight and the title is clean. Alright, so I know I joke and I've been calling these the car's prisoner numbers, and that's because it literally was on death row. If this thing had had a fender removed or the motor taken out or something, it probably wouldn't have been worth saving. So it would have literally gone to the crusher eventually and been junk. So we saved this little gem, but this isn't really a prisoner number. I mean, yeah, haha, but this is the yard number for the wrecking yard. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some WD-40. These are like a wax pencil or a grease pencil, so the WD-40 should get rid of it. Sometimes the wrecking yards will also use a paint pen. That takes a little bit different method that I'm not going to go into now. But it's time that this car got its first little bit of love from getting here. It's pretty much that easy, so we'll go ahead and take the rest of this off. There we go. You'd never know it was on death row. Got to do this 3 more times and it'll be a beauty waiting to be fixed instead of a junkyard haul.
Consistent or just...
After we got its numbers off it, we got the car cleaned up and took care of a lot of details, got that rear wheel unlocked, and now we're about to give a shot at getting it running.
Alright, go ahead.
You got a kick that time.
It might be on the verge of just going.
Oh, man. Yeah.
It's almost there.
Trying.
Yeah!
All right.
Success. Hey everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. First episode of No Car Left Behind. This one was, of course, the Junkyard Rambler Rescue. If you want to know more about that Rambler American 440, it's looking for a new home. Contact us at the website below in the description line there. If you'd like to see more videos from us, please click the subscription button and click the notification bell so you know anytime we put one out. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. And of course, we always love to hear from you, so please put a comment down below and let us know what you thought. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let us know. In any case, we'll see you next time.